Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your password for OnlyFans. If you're trying to log into your OnlyFans account but in the process you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, then keep watching the video till the end. I'll be showing you exactly how to recover your account's password even if you've forgotten it and don't seem to remember at all. Before beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser first. You can open up any web browser you want. In the address bar at the top, type in onlyfans.com and press enter. As soon as you reach to the login area of OnlyFans, go and type in your email address into the text box where it says email. Now, head over to the password text field, and if you remember the password during the process, type it in into the text box, but if you don't, click on this link right here that says forgot password. Once you click on that, you'll need to go ahead and type in your email again. Now, once you type in your email, click on send. You'll receive a password reset link on your email address. Close this pop-up, open up a new tab, and open up your email. Open up your email inbox and you should receive an email from OnlyFans. Open up the email and click on the link that has been sent to you. Now on the next tab, you'll be able to see that you've ended up in the change password area. Type in the new password that you'd like to change to, and then confirm the new password by typing it again into the next text box. Finally, after everything's typed in, click on save and your password will be recovered. That is how you can easily reset your password to a new one, even if you've forgotten your password while logging into your OnlyFans account. I hope you learned how to do it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.